I'm Paul Sequito. I'm 10 years old. Nag-entra ako sa Camella Got Talent para ma-develop ang aking na talent. Ang favorite ko na singer ay si Jobert Baldivino. Too much love will kill you if you can't make up your mind. Turn between the lover and the love you leave behind. You're headed for disaster, 'cause you never decide. Too much love will kill you every time.